Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Nissan Rogue S. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 2.5 four-cylinder pushing out 170 horsepower and 175 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 17-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. A gray cloth interior. Coming around back, we've got our Rogue all-wheel drive badging. Open up the tailgate, set of all-season floor mats, cargo cover, fold down rear seats. Up front, we've got power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera, climate controls, auxiliary and USB port, automatic transmission. This Nissan Rogue has 23,567 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Nissan Rogue, check out feldmannimports.com.